In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Snapchat support code C14B error. First, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch between mobile data or vice versa and check if Snapchat works. If the issue persists, you want to restart your phone. On Android, press and hold the power button, then tap on the restart option. Once your device turns back on, try opening Snapchat again and check if the issue is fixed. If that doesn't help, then you want to clear the Snapchat cache. For that, long press on the Snapchat app, then you want to tap on the app info icon. This will take you to app settings. Here, you want to locate the option of storage and tap on that. Now tap on the option of clear cache, then head back. This time you want to tap on the option of force stop, then tap on OK. Once that is done, open Snapchat and check if your issue has been fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is update Snapchat to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store. Now you want to search Snapchat over here. If you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that. Now wait until the Snapchat app has been updated, then open the application and this problem should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.